Welcome to your new home. I am so glad you came out today to see this beauty, and I do hope this will be the next home for you. As we walk around, I want to show you all the great features this house has. You're going to marvel over the updates. This house has been beautifully maintained. Nice open space, as you can see, standing here in the living area. Some great architectural design elements like this nook in the front entryway, which gives you some nice decorator space. Lots of deco shelves, well-appointed kitchen, which we'll get to in a minute. And as you can see here, we flow right out to the pool area. So you've got a heated pool that overlooks your acre of land surrounding this property. So this home is located in Pine Ridge Estates. We're going to start at the master bedroom. Pine Ridge, if you're not aware, is a community full of 1+ acre lots, and you're able to do a lot on your property that you can't do in other settings, other communities. So you can park your RV, your trailers, and such on your own property. And a lot of the parcels, including this one, allow you to have horses, if that's something you desire. So here we have two nice walk-in closets off of the master bedroom. And a really neat design with these closets. I don't know if you can see it, but there's no ceiling in the closets, so it illuminates up above the closet space and onto the deco shelf that you saw when you entered the bedroom. This is the master bathroom, granite countertops, a custom built-in linen, corner linen closet. We've got the jetted jacuzzi tub, and of course 2 different sinks. So it gives you lots of space to work with and a beautiful walk-in shower. Master has sliders that go out to the pool, and also note the transom windows up above. You can put your bed essentially anywhere, either one of these walls, and you still have beautiful natural light flowing through the house. So again, back to the living area, we've got a nice living room, we've got a beautiful dining room there with a nice picture window, we've got an extra breakfast nook. This kitchen is really well put together. As we look at this, I want to tell you about some of the updates. So the house does have a new hot water tank. The roof was redone in 2015. In the kitchen, we've got these great pull-outs, so you don't have to be climbing into the cabinet to get to things. Nice wood cabinets. HVAC was just redone this year as well. We've got a new washer and dryer in the laundry room, which we'll get to. I love how this guest bathroom was put together. So you can see you have a pocket door that separates the shower and the toilet. And then you have a door that goes out to the pool. So that's a really nice design. And then you've got the nice vanity here. One of the things you could do with this space is actually put a kitchen pantry here if you wanted more pantry space. Just consolidate the vanity a little bit and even put a door off of the bathroom that goes into the guest bedroom. So this is a really unique design. Now this house was built in 1994. It's just under 1,900 square feet, but trust me, it feels much bigger than that. So we're in a guest bedroom now. We've got very nice double pane windows. This is a unique design. So this is essentially a sitting room that then leads into the 3rd bedroom. So this 3rd bedroom has a pocket door, and this is where I was saying you could potentially put a door to the bathroom off of this room if you wanted to make this into a mini suite. So here you have the 3rd bedroom with the sliders out to the pool again. So if you wanted to make this a 4th bedroom, it could certainly be used that way. And let me take you into the laundry in the garage. So in addition to a spacious laundry room with cabinetry and the laundry sink, you have a new washer and dryer, you've got extra shelving, you've got a nice hanging rack here for the clothes. And then this is a good sized 2-car garage. As you can see, there's extra space for storage, extra space for workshop area, and there's a pull down attic ladder. So you've got attic storage as well. So really nothing to do but purchase this house, move in, and enjoy Florida. It is centrally located, so while you have the peace and quiet of the rural community, it's easy to get to Ocala, 45 minutes to Ocala for shopping and dining, and then it's very convenient to get to Tampa and also to Orlando for all of the attractions. So best of all worlds, if you ask me, right here. You can see we've got a little outdoor kitchen set up there with a sink and a mini fridge, lots of space. The windows back here are tinted, so that'll help with efficiency when you are cooling your house in the summer months. And again, the pool is solar heated. So as we walk the yard back here, you'll notice we do have sprinklers throughout the yard, so you'll be able to take care of your landscape without too much trouble. There's 2 different sheds that are very functional. So lots of storage space. This shed right here is brand new, was just installed. And you can see that we've got fencing on 2 sides, so if you needed to fence off the property for pets, that would be very easy to add that fencing. So that's it. This is a great option if you're looking to get moved into Pine Ridge. Again, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, built in 1994, and all of the major items have just recently been redone. The roof, the HVAC, newer windows, all the really important stuff. So if you've got any questions on this, please give me a call. I'm your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires with Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426. Have a great day.